When we were young, when we felt gold, we felt something, we felt far away from this world. And there was bottle brush calling us, the ocean fire crackling beneath those stars. 7 miles, that track sent us somewhere where we could breathe and be ourselves. This was the place better than all things left in our shadow long since gone. And all we seems gold. We lifted that gold. No more greedy hearts, only like-minded souls. And all we seems gold. We lifted that gold. No more greedy hearts, only like-minded souls. Where we breathe for love. And all these moments conversed upon us in amongst the shade. And we harnessed and broke down the barriers. It was us that bring shape today. And I've since moved on, but I remember fondly of those days of young souls, young minds careless of the troubles. We were the light like sun over horizon.